Hey guys, so I got this wig from Mamushow here and they sent it to me for free. So if you guys need a free wig, they're still doing their promotion in their Facebook group. So I'm just cutting the lace. This is their card, eyelashes and stuff. Guys, me can't put on eyelash to save my life. But yeah, I cut the lace. This is the Ebin spray. I recommend 3 layers. It's really good. It's really good. Really good. So now I'm just spraying it, and it has to be clear before you the little wap just and stuff. I love the body of the wig and stuff. Why I look at the camera like that? Anyways, I just be having moments. So yeah, I'm flat iron that shit. And guys, I'm doing this and I wear glasses, so it's really hard. At the moment I can't see anything, it's just blurry, but I'm trying my best. So guys, that white cast now go work. We use some spritz, spray that down, tap it down, little comb, that's a good thing. Use some more spritz so it's really secure, it will not move, guys. So now I'm just removing my band for like the 3rd time, and now I'm applying a bit of foundation on the lace, not too much. See that? See that? See that? Wonderful. Brother, what lace? What lace? Where is it? Can you tell me where it start, where it end? Where is the lace? So yes guys, this is the bob. Really cute. Thank you for watching.